Hi, in this video we will see how to add a gap clip in Final Cut Pro. It's very simple and easy. To insert a gap clip, at first we need to choose the position where we want to put the gap clip. For example, in this case, we have two clips. We want to put a gap clip in between these two images or two clips. So to do that, at first I'm dragging the pointer and then I have to choose the options. So I'm dragging and putting the pointer over here. Click on the edit button and then choose insert generator. Just click over there and then you will see two options. Choose the gap option and a gap will be appeared in between the clips. In this way you can easily add. Again I am showing you. Suppose we want to put another gap clip in between these two. I put the location of the gap clip, then I'm going to edit, and from here I'm going to insert generator and then gap. Once I click there, again another gap clip appeared. Now if we play, we'll see in between there is a gap. In this position we can add some text, title, anything. In this way we can easily create the gap clip or add the gap clip in between our clips. Thank you for watching.